Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making this lovely dress. So I'm going to start with 2 inches. The 2 inches is going to be for the buttonhole. So I will be making a button lap, right? So I'll be putting 2 inches. While over here I'm going to be putting my 7 inches, which is my shoulder measurement, divided by 2, and I'll come down to put my length. My length measurement is 10 and a half and 13 and a half and 17 and a half. So I went on to add about 4 inches over that. So I'm going to repeat the same step to achieve a straight line. So I'm basically putting my over and over again, my length over and over again to achieve a straight line. So right now I'm going to be putting 2 inches on my, well, this is to form the chest measurement. So I'm just forming the chest measurement. Mind you, ignore the dirt on my hand. I think I put my hand in something. So I'm putting 7 inches, which is the shoulder measurement again. So I'm putting 7 inches over here, and I'm going to the chest measurement to put the same 7 inches. So I'm basically creating my armhole. So now I'm going to be creating my dart, and I'll be dividing my nipple to nipple into 2. So I will be having 4 inches. So I'm just going to put 1 inches over here and connect it this way. So I went on to put my under bust cup. So I'll explain that in later on. So I put 1 inches to make a straight line. So I want to create my armhole right now. So after the 1 inches, I'm going to be dividing my into 2. Whatever I have, I'm going to come there with 0.5 and connect my armhole. I think I had lost the clip where I create the undercup. So if you like a video, you are going to see a video on this similar to this. So I'm putting my measurement. Whatever I'm having to my measurement, I'm going to be adding my sewing allowance. Where there is that, I'm just going to calculate the dart and add it to my measurement, which is so over here I'll be putting 0.5. I'll be putting 0.5 for my button. This is what I'm going to use to join. So I went on to cut my, so I'm going to be creating my back. The back is basically the same thing. So you're going to cut it the same measurement.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice
So now I'll be creating my neckline. My neckline is over 3 inches width and 3 inches inner. So this is going to be my back neckline. And for the front neckline, I will be using 3 inches width and 3 inches depth. So I'm just going to connect it with my hand. So it's 3 inches and 3 inches at the side. So I'm just going to put in 1 inches, which is I'll be adding this 1 inches with my back. So my back is going to fall very well, and my back is going to be a so I think you can see the mistake I'm making. I'm putting this at the armhole, which is not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be the other way around. So I went on to remove that and take it to the right way. You can see I indicated it. So this is the right way to put it, not at the neckline. So I went on to cut out this. So this is going to be my back pattern. We are done with the back pattern. So make sure you connect this line very well. And
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So right now I'll be flashing and spraying it. I just divided the neck with 3 inches and how I just connected to the bust front. So I'm using my ruler. So I just connect it into, so you can see it's just 2 line I'm adding. So I'll be adding the other line. So I'm using 1 inch spread method.
But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So guys, we'll continue with the other part in the next video. So this is the finish.